Wayne and I have had the privilege of staying in some of the finest properties in the United States over the past several months, from a chic downtown loft apartment to a resort and spa out in New Mexico. Each of these stays, we paid $0, and we're going to show you how we did it. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. Accommodations is one of the highest ticket items for travel, and when you are a budget traveler, you have to find a way to keep your accommodation costs low. Over the years, we have tried Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and Hotels.com. While we have found fantastic properties for a really good price, we have always had to pay something. Now we pay $0. Welcome to the world of Hyatt. Hyatt is a global brand that has properties all over the world. One of the best features of Hyatt properties is that they have entry-level budget-friendly locations as well as some of the finest resorts in the world. We earn Hyatt points by using our Chase credit cards for everyday spending, like electric bills, phone bills, grocery bills, gas. Anything we would normally spend cash on, we use our Chase credit card, and that allows us to earn Chase Ultimate Reward points that we can then transfer to Hyatt. Just to give you an idea of how valuable Hyatt points are, you can do a sign-up bonus for a Chase Inc. card right now and earn 90,000 points. You then transfer those 90,000 points over to Hyatt and then use those points to book award nights. They start at 3,500 points. The highest amount of points I have ever seen is 42,000 points. So even if you stayed at the highest end, you would get 2 free nights in one of the most amazing resorts in the world for 84,000 points. That is the value of Hyatt points. It is true that you can earn Chase Reward points by using it for your everyday spending, but one of the quickest ways to earn the most amount of points is by signing up for a new Chase credit card, qualifying for a sign-up bonus. A sign-up bonus is a set amount of points that you are rewarded when you spend X amount of dollars in X amount of time. For instance, currently, if you spend $4,000 in 90 days, you can get 5 free nights in a Category 1 through 4 property. And you are currently looking at a Category 4 property. So getting free points and having free nights is great. But if it's a platform that's hard to deal with, or if it's inconsistent, it's not really a bonus. It's kind of a headache. Well, one thing with Hyatt is the Hyatt app and the Hyatt website are very easy to navigate. I have had 0 issues. You can do everything from searching for properties by point value or by location. You get to see what the rooms look like. You get to see the dollar amount, and you also get to see the point amount. And that's very helpful in deciding where to stay. When you make your reservation, make sure to make a mention if you have a special occasion coming up, a birthday, an anniversary. Hyatt goes out of their way to make you feel special. I have no hesitation recommending Hyatt. One of the big selling points of Hyatt is there's pretty much a Hyatt anywhere we go. Very rarely have we been anywhere that didn't have some type of Hyatt property.
Yeah, and the good thing about Hyatt, we have not run across where they haven't been clean. The quality of the rooms, the furnishings have been consistent. The beds are comfortable. The showers have great shower heads with good water pressure. Something important to us is the Wi-Fi. They've had really good Wi-Fi where we can stream. So those are definitely pluses for the Hyatt as well.
Some of the entry-level Hyatts like Hyatt Place and Hyatt House offer a breakfast buffet, and some of the all-inclusives not only have several restaurants to choose from, but they also have room service. The breakfast, you have more of a variety.
Yeah, and I would say the breakfasts there have been good, and we typically do room service for breakfast.
We have stayed at a Hyatt Place for 5,000 Hyatt points, and we have stayed at an all-inclusive where the room was 35,000 Hyatt points per night. So that's the range of places you can stay. There really is something for everybody.
Yeah, but the one thing, even the 5,000 or 35,000, there's one thing that's been consistent, and it's some of the things I mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
The quality of the room, the quality of the furnishings, the quality of the Wi-Fi. Some things, it doesn't matter if you're spending 35 or you're spending 5.
And it is nice. I mean, when you go to another country, especially if you're going for the first time, everything is new and unfamiliar. So to be able to count on where you're staying to be a place like home, to have the things you're used to, air conditioning, good Wi-Fi, nice toiletries. Mostly they have the minibar fridge in them. We have reached Discoverist level, so we always get bottled water when we check in, which is nice. I mean, it sounds simple, bottled water, but after traveling all day, a bottle of water is very appreciated.
Yeah, in some places you'll pay $6 for that bottle of water.
That's true.
So,
and at the all-inclusives, you get the minibar is stocked at least twice.
At least twice a day.
And if you stay in a preferred room, you also get snacks like Pringles and M&Ms. And when we stayed in Cancun, they upgrade. That was the $35,000 per night room, and that was a huge room. They also provided a bottle of your choice of liquor.
Another thing about the rooms that's very consistent is the linens, the towels. The bath towels are large,
clean and not threadbare, and good quality sheets. We like the sheets.
Yeah.
How about something else to save money when you pay with Hyatt points?
You don't have to pay the resort fees,
which can run you $15 a night up to $50 a night. It's a big savings by paying with points. If you paid with cash, you would have to pay those resort fees. If you paid with points and cash, you will pay those resort fees. The only way to avoid paying them is paying with points. Wayne, what is something else you like about Hyatt?
They're not cookie cutter rooms, and the rooms are different. Like, we recently stayed in a room in St. Paul, and the building that the hotel was in had been renovated and repurposed from a U.S. mail post office from 1934. The room there, when you open the door, it definitely had a wow factor. The ceiling was probably, in our room, was probably 15, 18 feet tall. The windows were probably 15 feet. The curtains, they had a switch on the side that opened, and then we had a beautiful, really great view up the street, kind of up the hill in the downtown. So it was a great view from there too, and it was just a very nice room. Now we have enjoyed them. We like them.
We hope you have enjoyed this information about the Hyatt program. If you would like to support our channel and encourage us, we ask that you use the links down below for credit card sign-up bonuses. We do earn points for everyone who is approved for a Chase credit card. We would like to thank you in advance. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.